What's up guys, welcome to yet again Arduino video. In the last video we tried to understand what is an Arduino and what we can do with this board. Now it's time to make some cool Arduino projects. Now we are gonna work on a project and you need to connect using this jumper waves. You wanna make a circuit using this jumper waves. You wanna connect it inside your Arduino board and into some other components. So suddenly you wanna make a change. So it will be so difficult to change those jumper wires position, right? So you may notice this thing inside your Arduino kit. This is a breadboard actually. So now so the current is gonna come from the Arduino board and I'm gonna connect it somewhere here. But suddenly I made a mistake. Oh no, I wanna connect it here, but I connected here. So you can just plug it out and just plug it in. So whenever you wanna make a change, it's so easy when you're using a breadboard. So when you're gonna start a project, when you're working on a project and you're making the first circuits, you're gonna make a lot of changes. You want to change a lot. So in that time, breadboards are very useful to you. You can just plug it out and plug it in, and you can place it wherever you want. So when you're gonna connect these jumper wires in your Arduino board, they're given you in this bunch kind of thing. So whenever you want one, you can just select one jumper wire, just take it out from this bunch and you can use it. That's it. There are some rules which you need to follow to connect your jumper wires into your breadboard properly. So the first thing is, so let's connect the jumper wires into one of the pins in the Arduino. So the current is gonna come from here, from the Arduino. I'm just gonna plug it in here. So now this whole columns are connected. So from left to right, they are the rows, and from top to bottom, they are columns. So here, all the columns are connected. This whole columns are connected, but the rows are not connected. So now let's take that. I want to take the current from to 40, but I can use only one jumper wire. So what I can do is I can connect one jumper wire here, and I can take the current here for wherever I want, because this whole column is connected. So to be clear, the columns are connected, not the rows. So you can take current from anywhere. So now I want it here, so I can connect it here as the current flows to this column, and then I can just plug it in here. So the current is available for this column alone. Okay, so do you get it? Does it make sense? So the top two columns and the bottom two columns are not connected. So if I want to connect here, so this column is not connected. Okay, but in this case the columns are connected, but on the top two columns and the bottom two columns, they are special. Here all the rows are connected. So now I want to take current from to this hole. So what can I do? So I can connect it here. I can take the current from there, because in these two places are special, that the columns are not connected, only the rows are connected. So I can just plug it here and I can take the current here. That's the same thing on the bottom two columns. On the rows are connected, but here only the columns are connected, not the rows. Does it make sense? So you guys must have understood what is a breadboard, how it works, and how to make some connections properly using a breadboard. So we learned this. We also learned what is an Arduino. So what's left? It's time to do some cool projects. So in the next video, we'll see how to make an LED off and on using a breadboard, doing all our circuits in the breadboard, and also using our Arduino board, and finally typing some code in our Arduino IDE. Stay tuned and subscribe my channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.